Consilium Delectorum Cardinalium, Episode 5. Ac praesertim haec Romana Curdria, quibus effectum prope est, ut palatim accensim ingravescentibus pestiferis his morbis, magnam hanc ruinam traxerit, quam videmus. In the previous portion of this very long sentence, the cardinals were explaining the diseases under which, or by means of which, the Church is laboring, and especially this Roman Curia, that is, the current papal administration, is laboring under these diseases, quibus. And as a result, effectum prope est, it has nearly happened, effectum prope est, that, here's the result, ut, little by little, paulatim, and sensibly, sensim, ingravescentibus pestiferis his morbis. We have to take all of these together. While these, his, noxious pestiferis, pestilential, pest-bringing pestiferis, the text is a little bit difficult to read here. These pestilential diseases, they grow more serious, ingravescentibus. So morbis is masculine plural and ablative, and it is modified by a number of ablatives here. The participle, ingravescentibus, the adjectives pestiferis and his. So it has happened that, almost happened that, effectum prope est, and then here's the result, that the Roman Curia, I'm taking this as the subject of traxerit, the Roman Curia, little by little and sensibly, perceptibly, as these diseases become more serious, the Roman Curia has contracted, or has fallen into, has suffered this great ruin, magnam hac ruinam, the one quam videmus, the one which we see. The antecedent of quam being ruinam, and ruinam modified by magnam and hanc. Now what about traxerit here? This is from the third conjugation verb traho, trahere, third principal part of which is traxi. And this form then is third singular, and it's perfect subjunctive. It's subjunctive in a result clause introduced by effectum est, which is a perfect tense. So in order to follow the sequence of tenses, when the main verb, effectum est, which controls the subordinate verb here, when it is a perfect tense, when it is primary, and this is a true perfect, then the subordinate verbs must be either present subjunctive, if they are contemporaneous or subsequent action, or perfect subjunctive, if they denote prior action. And then it ends with this relative clause, quam videmus, which ruin we actually see, quam videmus. Now there are other versions of this text, excerpts, that I have been able to find, and in one of the excerpts it is punctuated with a semicolon here between quibus and effectum, and that actually makes it read much better. We have the sense of the beginning of a new clause here with effectum. It happened that. And the antecedent of quibus then is the morbis from the previous portion.